Hey everybody, I'm Brandon from shopperinformer.com, and today I'm going to unbox for you this wireless sports headband, a great product from Music Cozy. Let's get into it. So in the box, we've got our user's manual, a product support card. They supply you with a little tool here in case you need to separate the Bluetooth module from the speakers, in case you need to wash this. I'll talk about that in a second. And then we've got the headband itself. If we take a closer look at the headband, we've got a nice fabric design. It's fairly thin, lightweight, and breathable, but it doesn't feel like thin, lightweight, and cheap by any means. Now we've got the two speakers that are built in here. These are pretty thin as well, and the sound quality coming out of them is really nice. We'll come back to that. And then on the front, you're going to have the Bluetooth unit itself. So you've got your three buttons up here. You got a power button, and you got a plus and minus. So you can use that to not only change the volume, and it's going to turn the volume up and down on the phone respectively, but you can also long press the plus or the minus to skip tracks forwards and backwards. And likewise, you can even take phone calls with this by using the power button to answer or reject or redial maybe the last known number. Now there is a little pocket just on the inside behind it, and when you open it up, you're going to see that there's actually a USB-C port right here, so when you need to recharge this, you can, or if you needed to hand wash this here, you could actually slide the entire module out, disconnect it, and then you'll be able to wash this really quick. So this is what it looks like when you put it on, and it's really nice because it's got the speakers that are built in. You don't have any wires, right? If you have longer hair, ladies and gentlemen alike, right, it's going to keep everything out of your face while you're working. But you've also got a few different ways you can wear it. You can just wear it like it is, like this over the ears, like you might expect a headband. But maybe you're on a plane or something, you want some tunes, but you want to knock out some of the light, you know, or maybe you just want a quick little meditation session, right? You could do that here too. Or what I really like about this is if I want to have a little more situational awareness, okay, I'm the kind of person that if I ever have headphones on or earbuds, I'm only wearing one. Whether it's at the gym, whether I'm outside exercising, I like to hear my environment, okay? I'm just that kind of person. So I might actually take this and wear it just a little bit higher above the ears. I can still hear the music coming through, but I can still hear what's going on around me in my current environment. So sound quality on this is really nice. I don't know if you can hear it, but I've got it at an appropriate listening level. Yeah, if I lift it up here, I can still hear the tunes and I can hear my voice even more, but you know, it's not bad. And if I put it closer to the speaker over here, the microphone. So overall, this is a really comfortable Bluetooth headband, and even the control panel in the front, you can't feel it. There's real nice padding. And because you can wear this so many different ways, it's almost like you're wearing nothing at all, but you got your tunes with you. So this makes a real good sleep mask, especially if you're going to bed. If you've never tried like low frequency bedtime meditation music, I highly recommend it. You'll have some trippy dreams and you'll be out in seconds. But when I do that, I don't want to sleep with headphones on and earbuds just push right into the pillow. So this is like a perfect compromise. If you want to put a headband on and sleep, you can put it on for 20-30 minutes while you meditate and trip out, and then when you're done, you just take it and you toss it off to the side, and it's not going to make a lot of noise, it's not going to break, it's not going to, you know, like, it's lightweight audio wear. So at the end of the day, Bluetooth headband, didn't know I needed it, but I'm going to keep it, I'm going to wear it, and I'm going to use it. And it's nice that you also have the ability to take and make phone calls with it too. So highly recommend, 10 out of 10, would do again. So that's my opinion for the day. And to find more great reviews, check out shopperinformer.com. The link is down in the description.